Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas wherever you're watching me from, and a prosperous Happy New Year in advance. So I'm ready for work. When you see me like this, it shows that I am ready. Look at my cap. This is my sister Ile. We are working together. Look at her. See how serious she is. Say hello to the camera.
He's about to go. Go.
So guys, we're done washing the pepper. Can you see?
Yeah,
this one is for jollof rice. So we're about to go and grind the pepper. Okay, so see her busy. She's busy working. She dey wash plates.
Now plate that they wash.
So this is our chicken. So I'm going to start by removing the feathers from this chicken now. So can you see? Back then they used to say that when you're removing feathers from chicken, that you're not meant to be talking. That you're not supposed to be talking. That when you're talking, the feathers will be increasing, like it will be getting more. I don't know how true that is. So I'm going to remove all the feathers, guys, and guys, I'll show you guys the next thing I'm going to be doing. I have a lot of work to do here. Pepper, okay, can you see? So we're going to go ahead now and parboil the blended pepper. Okay, pepper. Okay, this is our pepper on fire. So I'm going to cook this and parboil it so that we can use it for our jollof rice. Party jollof.
Join us.
Come and join us.
Yo, nigga.
Guys, this is our meat. We're done with the meat. I'll go in with my onion. You see how much my onion is? That's because I don't joke with my onion when it comes to food. Okay, more onion. Okay, so here I have ginger and garlic. Okay, so add it here, grated already. Where is the normal spoon? Why am I using plastic? So this is my bay leaf. Okay.
Oh yeah, put that one.
I'm going to add my bay leaf in here.
Oh yeah, put it down. Put it down.
So I'll go in with my curry powder. Daniel, leave that place.
Who asked you? Who sent you? Oh yeah, put it down.
Curry.
Put it down.
So I'll go in my time.
Go in there. Wait for it.
So this seasoning, it is 4-in-1. Okay, it has ginger, it has garlic, it has olive leaf, and cinnamon. Okay, so 4-in-1, and this is how it comes. Can you see? So I'm just going to add 2 spoons of it to it. Can you see? This is my seasoning cube. I'm going to add my seasoning cube to it. So you can use any seasoning cube of your choice. So I'm going to go in with my salt. So this is salt to taste. So this is ginger powder. Ginger powder. So I'm just going to add little of it. Finish it. Okay guys, so I'm going to add diced tomato in here. Yes. And then I'm adding, this is pepper, tomato and bawa together, okay, blended and also steamed. Okay, so I'm adding it. in here. So I'm going to give it a good stir. So we'll stir it. So we're going to add water in here. I'm going to add water. We'll stir it and allow it to cook. Okay. You can taste to adjust your seasoning. Okay. We are done with the meat. We are already frying. Sorry, I couldn't show you guys because we're rushing. See the meat, we are already frying it, and I'm already preparing my jollof rice. So what I have here is I poured my cooking oil, I added my onion, and then I added tomato paste. So that's what I'm frying presently. So I'll just keep frying it. So after that, I'm going to add the next thing. Okay. So at this point, I want to add my, this is grated garlic and ginger. I want to add it in here. You can decide to add the garlic and ginger before adding your tomato paste. So after adding the onion, add your garlic and ginger to it. So now this is my pepper, had boiled already. My tomato pepper and flour. I'm going to go ahead and start adding it in here. So I'm adding it in here. What I'm doing to my so we are preparing 2 congos of rice, so I'm adding my remaining onion. Guys, I don't play with my onion. I'll add my bay leaf here. Ginger powder. Okay, I'm going to add little of it here. Remember, I've added fresh ginger here, so it's just small. Okay, I'm going to add my curry powder. Okay, so I'll add my curry, extra curry. So time, I add my thyme in here. I'll add my seasoning cube. Yeah, I don't really count it. So I'm adding my salt here. Okay guys, can you see my stew? It's ready. So I'm going to add my meat stock in here. So this is my stock, chicken stock. Can you see? I'm also going to prepare fried rice in here. So I'm going to add some meat stock in here. The meat in our stock. And the others and stew. I'm going to use this one for fried rice and stew.
Thank you for banking with us.
I'm going to go ahead and stir this. Okay. Oh yeah, just add the see and sister. I'm adding my water. So you said that the thing, you know they collect plenty water. Yeah, sister. You not collect plenty water.
Collect water, coffee roll. Okay.
Ali, add water there.
Something like that.
So we're going to cover this and allow it to simmer, and then we'll add our rice in here. Hey guys, so I want to add my rice. I need to that it's already boiling, so I'm going in with my rice. Come on, I need it. So I'm going to add more water to this thing. From what I'm saying, more water. Oh yeah, but that's it. So I'm going to taste to adjust my seasoning, okay? Once I'm done, I'll cover it and allow it to cook. Guys, so I'm done with the rice. My jollof rice, I'm done with it, okay? So now I'm moving to the preparation of my fried rice. Can you see? Ooh, film it. Send your plates. Where's your address? I'm going to send your food. I'm about to prepare my fried rice. So this is the vegetable oil that I already used for my meat. I took out of it to prepare my rice. I want to use it to prepare my rice. This is our meat. Can you see? Fried chicken, fried. So now, you know, I told you that this remaining stock I'm going to use out of it for my fried rice, okay? So I'll be using it very soon. Hey guys, so now let's move to the cooking of our fried rice. Now my vegetable oil is here, hot. So I'll go in with my onion. You see, be generous with your onion. I don't play with my onion. I'm preparing 1 mojo of rice. 1 mojo. It means it don't burn my hand. I'm preparing 1 Congo. They call it Congo in Yoruba land. So I'll add my cooking oil in the pot. Add my onion. So this is my green bell pepper. So now I'm going to add this here.
Do something. If you need to for 1 day,
can you see? This is my green pea. So I'm going to add it here.
But don't make me know about it. Hospital more.
So I'm going to allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. This is my rice. Can you see? I'll add my rice in here. Check on the rice. Oh, that's my leg. Oh, check. Oh, my rice. By the time to buy rice, the pot to be full. Yes, man, that's so I'm going to add my thyme. You can measure your time because
examination system.
So now I'm going to go ahead now and add my curry powder.
Curry ló máa ń jẹ́ kó green. Ẹ má gbàgbé gbé meat stock àbí ẹ̀ stock meat.
Meat stock, chicken stock. So So guys, this is my rice. Now I'm going to add my meat stock to it. Chicken stock. That is what I'm using. See, can you see? So I'm going to add chicken stock to
that. That's what in lemon. I did that. Say, you could
I remember that I added bay leaf, so I'm going to pick out the bay leaf from inside because we don't really need it inside the fried rice. I'll add a little more.
Who is beating each other?
So I'm going to stir this. So I'm going to add normal water. So I'm going to add more water in here. We're going to now adjust our seasoning. You know, we already have a lot. We have seasoning already in our meat stock, so you have to taste before you add any seasoning, so that you will not end up cooking what people cannot eat. Okay. So now I'm going to just add a little bit of salt in here. So I'll add salt.
You're not baby. Good. So you make mommy do come pasting and can look for abo. Mommy dey toast the rice in
cover when I like to cook. Okay. So my rice is ready. Okay. This is my fried rice. Can you see? This is my sweet corn. This is my liver. Okay. So here is my pot. So I've added my cooking oil. So I'm going to add my liver. I'm just going to stir fry this for a while. I'll go in with my pepper. I'll go in with my pepper. I've had the pepper. I'm going to go in with my carrots. So now I'll go with my green peas. And then I'm going to go with my sweet corn and my green peas. Sorry. I'm not going to add more seasoning cube in here. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Okay. So now I'm done preparing my veggies. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my rice, okay? This is my rice. Now it's done.
Okay. Àti Eniola ní kò jẹ fried rice. Àwọn tó fìfẹ́ dúró tì wà lélẹ̀ ìwé.